Scratch Cat Error, Barney Error 3.2, 46 Punishments version, Part 5. That is so correct. Kayla the ship, you are now at the 5th demon punishment. Now the punishment will be quintupled by me. Now, you are super duper extremely mega punished for 5. You wanna know what you just did? Yep, you've guessed it. It's the 6th demon punishment. The punishment will be sextupled by me. I have decided to punish you for 6. You know the freaking hell what, Kayla the ship. Now that the 7th demon punishment is here, the punishments will be simpled by me. Now, you are so punished for 7. Look what you have done. You made me reach the 9th demon punishment. And do you know what this means, Kayla the ship? Yep, that is correct. The punishments will be non-doubled by me. And Kayla the ship, you better listen to me right now. Because if you even think about attempting to turn off your computer, you will face the 10th demon punishment. And from now on, you are super duper extremely mega gigabyte punished for 9.
Oh no. This is going to be the worst, like the one I did with a Barney error. I'm officially entering the 10th demon punishment. I guess I spoke too soon yet once.
Hey, are you afraid of balloons? Top punishment is here. If you are afraid of popping balloons, then you are at the right track. I will send balloons all over your house, then popping them one by one. Now, you are punished for— membership. It's me, Roblox Fan 75,000. As a result of turning off around Scratch Cat's punishments, you have summoned me yet once again. You really hate Scratch Cat, don't you? Why else would you turn off so many of his punishments? Don't answer that. Now, I am here to take over for the final time. So, I will mess with your power button so that way you will never turn off your computer. On top of that, I will also corrupt your BIOS permanently, and you are banned for, well, sit yourself down.